What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode over at Habibi Motorsports. Today we have a dyno rental. Got a Mark IV Toyota Supra today. It's being remote tuned. Customer has his own tuner. He just needed some dyno time, so he did. We're able to get the car on the dyno and get him all the readings he wanted and provide the data logs over to his tuner, so he can get the tune dialed in and make as much power as the tuner felt comfortable with that the car could make. And we're going to hear it. We're going to introduce the customer to you and let him talk about his car.
Customer does not want to talk about his car.
It's that secret sauce. You don't want to know. Mess around, find out.
Don't find him. Yeah, find him on the street.
Yeah, it's gonna get rowdy.
All right.
I will leave it up to him if he wants to share dyno numbers, but this thing is rowdy. It's fun.
It's rowdy.